Hey there, and welcome to Starting in Bitcoin. You've made a great decision, and you're only a few simple steps away from starting your journey in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you the options for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallets, how to set up your first Bitcoin wallet, how to get your account verified, and then buy your first Bitcoin. Next, we'll show you the different ways you can earn with Bitcoin. And finally, we reveal the system we use to earn and grow your Bitcoin holding daily on autopilot. Best of all, it's 100% free to register, and you can start almost immediately. We're sure you're going to love this easy-to-follow step-by-step system, and we truly look forward to working closely with you into the distant future. Let's get started below.